Hey guys, we're gonna do one more, well, actually two more story problems with subtraction, okay? And we're gonna watch for that word left. Remember, subtraction means take away. We don't want it anymore, okay? So listen for the word left, and remember, the biggest number goes first. So today what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your paper from your packet, and this one is the hippity hop. It's with the frog, and the other one is with the fly, the buzz, buzz, buzz. All right, so you're gonna get the one with the frog and the fly. And you can get some counters too to help you out with the subtraction. So let's go ahead and get started. So here we go, guys. Let's see. Let's go ahead and let's do the buzz, buzz, swat first, okay? So we're going to read this story all together first. Let's see. 7 flies were on my pie. Ugh, gross. My mom swatted 2 flies. How many flies were left? Ew, there's still flies on the pie. That is so gross. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's go ahead and see. And this is the word left. Remember when we saw that word left, that means we want to take away. So we want to do subtraction. That means we're going to cross off things. And remember, the biggest number goes first. So we have 7. So I need to draw 7 flies. Here's 1, 2, and then here's a little, just to be silly, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me make sure there's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, so I have 7 flies, okay? And my mom swatted 2 of the flies. That means we're going to cross off 2. Now remember, it doesn't matter what 2 we cross off, right? As long as we only cross off 2. So I'm going to cross off this one and this one. How many flies are left on my pie? That is so gross. There are still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flies on my pie. Yucky. All right, let's go ahead and do it with some counters, okay? Now remember, we want 7 first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now 2 flies were swatted away. So 1, 2. We're going to take 2 of them away, okay? How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Didn't I get 5 down here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I did. All right, let's check it out on our number line. Now remember, on a number line, we go backwards. So we want to go to the left, and we want the numbers to get smaller because it's subtraction. So we're going to go ahead and do our biggest number, which is 7. So I'm going to put a dot at 7, okay? Now we're going to jump backwards 2 because mom swatted away 2 flies. Remember, each number is a jump. So 1, 2. What number did we jump back to? We jumped to 5, right? And there's 5 here and 5 here. So 7 minus 2 equals 5. So we need to write our math sentence, our math equation, okay? Remember, the biggest number goes first. It's subtraction. So I'm going to do 7. Now, mom swatted away 2 flies, so we crossed off 2 or took away 2 or jumped back 2. So we're going to write a 2 here. So 7 minus 2 equals, and we got 5 all 3 times, didn't we? So we're going to go ahead and write a 5. So 7 minus 2 equals 5. Can you guys say that for me? Good job. Now let's read that story one more time to make sure that our sentence matches our story, okay? So 7 flies were on my pie. Here's my 7. My mom swatted 2 flies. So she got rid of 2 of them, right? Crossed off 2. Here we are with the 2 here. How many flies are left? And that's 5. So we had 5 for our answer. So good job, guys, doing that problem. So 7 minus 2 equals 5. I want you to say it. Good job. Now let's move these counters out of the way and let's flip our paper over and let's do the hippity hop story and let's find out if we're going to add or subtract with this. It says 5 frogs were in the pond. 4 frogs jumped out of the pond. How many frogs are left? Oh, here's that word left again. That means we know we're going to subtract. Take it away. Cross it off. Get rid of it, right? And remember, the biggest number goes first. So 5 is our big number. So let's draw 5 frogs. And just for fun, Miss Keegan's going to get out. Here's 1 frog. Here's 2 frogs. 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 frogs, okay? 4 frogs jumped out of the pond. So I'm going to cross off 4 frogs, okay? And it doesn't matter what 4, as long as there's only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many frogs are left? Look, I have only 1 frog left. Let's do it with our counters, okay? So let's see. It says that we have 5 frogs. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have 5 frogs. 4 of them jumped away. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many frogs do I have left? I have 1, just like you have 1 here, don't I? Well, let's go to our number line. And remember, we're going to start at the bigger number, and we want to go to the left because we want to go smaller because we're taking away. So it says 5 frogs. So I'm going to put my dot on 5. And we're going to jump backwards 4 jumps. Each number is a jump. So 1, 2, 3, 4. What number did I stop at? I stopped at 1, didn't I? So we found out from our story that 5 minus 4, or take away 4, is 1. So now we need to write our math sentence or our math equation, okay? So it says 5 frogs were in the pond, and 5 is bigger than 4, so 5 has to go first. 4 frogs jumped out of the pond. So we're taking away 4, so we need to have a 4 here. And how many frogs were left when we did all the work? 1 was left. So that's going to be our difference, the answer, okay? So 5 minus 4 equals 1. Let's read that story just to make sure everything matches up. 5 frogs were in the pond. Here's 5. 4 frogs jumped out of the pond. We crossed off 4, took away 4, jumped backwards 4, so we wrote 4 here. And 1 was left over. How many frogs are left? Only 1, so I wrote a 1. So our answer is 1. So good job, guys, doing those problems with me today. I want you to keep up the good work, and we'll do some more practice with our story problems.